Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2007 Honda Accord. We are doing a starter. This will be a how-to video on what to do. Here is our new one. She fits right inside here. In order to do so, got to take off this intake manifold. So, here's how we take off the intake manifold. Got some 12s. Got two bolts up here, two studs right here. So these are going to be nuts, and then 1, 2, 3 12mm bolts. What you do is you're going to have a tube right here, disconnect it, take off your map sensor. I just disconnected the throttle body so that way I didn't have to disconnect any hoses, connectors, anything like that. So it's the same thing, going to be 12. You're going to have two studs, which are going to be 12 nuts, and two bolts, which are also going to be 12. And I just take the throttle body up and out of the way, disconnect your breather tube, just pick it up out of the way. You're going to have a 10mm bracket right here for your can't remember what tube that's for. That tube is going to go right here. Disconnect your clamp, move it up, take off your 10, move this bracket out of the way. There's going to be a 10 right here that will go right here. You will take that 10 out, you will move this bracket out of the way. You'll have a major connector like yay, which attaches to this bracket right here. This bracket is facing like this. See this little stud right here? That's going to have a 12 on there and 12 down there on the block right there. Take off the 10 nut, comes right here. Take off the 12 nut and 12 bolt. Take this bracket out. Then this whole intake just lifts itself up. What else do you need to take off? That is about it for the intake. Oh, got a tube over here too. This little one right here. Just move it up and out of the way. You also had this tube, which goes somewhere. Oh, goes right there. So that gives you clearance. Move that out of the way. The whole thing can lift straight up. For the bolts, this thing is going to be, if it's a factory install, it's going to be stupid tight. The bottom is going to be a 17, so I recommend getting a big ratchet like yay, so that way you can bust that 17 loose. The top one is an elongated one like yay. If you've ever done a starter on a Civic or anything with the older 2.4 motors, you'll know what this kind of bolt is. So it's going to be a 14 up top. The nut for the power supply is kind of hard to get to because where it sits is right here, so you can't get to it and you don't want to take this tube out. So what I did is I took the bolts out to get the starter up and out of the way. Then you can get to that 12 very easily. I disconnect your knock sensor so the whole harness itself can move up and out of the way just the same, and pull the starter right out through there. Going back together, just reverse procedure. And I recommend also replacing the gasket just due to the age of this car. The metal ones usually don't have problems, especially if it's on a newer mileage, but this is a 2007, so we are putting one on for this one. The gasket for the throttle body is a paper one. As long as it doesn't rip, it'll be okay. Other than that, should be about it. Oh, and also don't make sure you don't forget to disconnect your positive side. Otherwise, you'll cause some issues when you take that thing off. But other than that, any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.